Hello, my beautiful friends. I am Sway to the 99, and you are back for day 2 of the 7-day spring cleansing partnership that I'm doing with the 99. So thank you so much for tuning in. If you missed yesterday's video, I will link that down below. So let's jump right into today's video. So today's recipe does include cucumber, ginger, lemon, and of course pineapple. And this recipe generally is known for a detox / weight loss. However, just a disclaimer, I am not a doctor, and this is purely for inspiration only. But that is the general known idea of this recipe. So excited to try this one. And again, if you don't have a juicer, you can certainly still use your blender and just use a cheesecloth to drain out the delicious juice. All right, I'm excited to try this one. Just gonna give it a nice little stir, and you can always add turmeric or anything else like that you'd like. Ooh, it is so delicious. I'm excited to continue to try this one. You guys, cheers. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, if you are on a healthier path, you can definitely check out your local 99. They have tons of healthy items rolling into the stores every single day. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Have a great evening. As always, don't forget to do the 99.